Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 933 Atlantic Avenue in Rochester. This is an amazing and rare commercial investment opportunity. So let's take a tour. This nearly 5-acre property includes 5 buildings with over 18,000 square feet. All situated on the east side of Rochester within the Browncroft neighborhood. Well, I hope you enjoy the tour of 933 Atlantic Avenue in Rochester. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home, waterfront, and commercial specialist worldwide. Cheers to doing business here.